Hello, guys.
We are going to do a fashion show. Actually, well, yeah, and let's just say we got 6 people, including me, there, and I think they're all members except me. 1, 2, yeah.
7. We got 7.
Woohoo!
But yeah, win or lose, you guys get a prize.
Yeah.
8. I'm getting more. Okay. But
So
win or lose, you get a prize.
yeah, it might not be exactly coolish. The highest is like what? Like what's the highest prize?
I don't know.
Like in the
My
highest.
den is so retarded right now,
The
guys.
highest is definitely not a headdress because we don't have those. But the
Well, then
highest-
why would you say that?
I don't know. It might be. I don't know.
Sorry. Okay.
It might be. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, guys, she keeps hurting herself.
Yeah, I do. But yeah,
Yeah. Well, whatever.
I already stood on this thing, and I didn't mean to, and then it fell on my legs.
And then I'll
I went in between. It wasn't really cool, but yeah. Whoa.
get all the info and start making it, yo. Username.
I'm not.
And so far, we got 8 people, including me. We're doing pretty good. If you guys can see this dude, here, now you can see him. Definitely. That dude, I love these dudes. They're so cute.
Okay, a lot of people are going to be coming, guys. I just went to a new world. Because, he's...
Dang it, no.
Okay.
I like those
oh
guys.
My gosh.
Hey Bree, if he keeps that outfit, then just keep him there, because I really want to.
I have a tuxedo.
Oh my god, I did that.
Oh,
It's black and white. I think I do. Guys, if you want a tuxedo as your prize, I can give you one.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know if I have it. Oh, there it is. Except it's white instead
That's a
of
great
black. Sorry about that.
Who cares, right, guys?
I know, right? Who cares, right? Yeah. I'm gonna check my subs real quick. Here, I still have 6. I think I have 6. I need to refresh it.
We will.
I probably didn't.
And
Okay, I'm going now because I have 13, so that's kind of a lot. It says 1 subscriber, but then it's 6, so
I feel like
That's hilarious.
weird. Okay,
I'm doing
so
good.
I'm at my den now, and okay. Oh gosh. Okay.
Okay, so everyone,
3.
circle around.
There's only gonna be 1 round. Well,
Then are you up?
there'll be 3.
66?
Okay. I can't see.
I can't either.
3 rounds.
Now how we
Okay, yeah.
Oh my.
Okay, yeah. So there's 3 rounds and 12 winners. Wait,
What?
9 winners. 9 winners. Sorry, guys. 9 winners. Sorry. 9 winners.
No, they don't. Don't be so silly.
First
Okay,
one
guys. Okay.
is.
This channel, this one. Okay, click this in. Okay, this channel.
What the heck are you doing?
Oh no.
Okay. The first theme is ugly.
Will you please draw me or
Oh, ugly.
that Arctic
Ugly. The first theme is ugly, guys.
Ugly. It is.
Oh, you're little.
I'm gonna be ugly. My stuff is remembered here.
I
Yeah, really.
don't really draw.
Oh my.
My sister
I'm
does.
Ugliest theme.
I look
Okay.
Do you
ugly.
have room for one more in that picture?
And actually, I can't just pick you
Oh, wait,
because you're
are you
my
guys-
sister.
No, you got actually judged.
I'm not just going to pick her every time because she's my sister.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
I need like a weird color.
Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Come on. There we
I
go.
thought you were drawing the other person. I mean, I thought you were drawing.
There.
That's good. That's fine.
Wait, what do you do when you're done?
This
Dance.
Oh, you said dance when done.
Wait,
It's
so
right
it's like little your name.
there.
I am stupid.
Okay. This is
Okay,
really
yeah.
good, I know.
So,
Okay, so
most of
switch
the
to
people
color.
are dancing. So, I'm
Yeah, okay.
going to
Just keep saying that.
send or
It's true.
trade
I wish my fox could be.
the first,
I'm black.
second,
No.
and third prize.
Okay, so your name is Harmony.
Darn.
You dick.
I will send the
Where?
first, second, and third winner
I'm just gonna share like the whole
prize.
desktop thing. So you
It's
guys
gonna
can
block
see,
it.
Um,
Oh my gosh.
what I'm doing.
It didn't block it. Okay.
Okay, so
So the best one here, I'm going to have to say who looks
Hey,
ugly.
don't.
Who looks ugly? You won. Congrats to you.
that was my tooth.
Dummy. Okay.
No, can I just
So first is I have no idea. I'll give them a spike. I don't know if these eyebrows are good, but I think they are.
Yeah, we'll give him a spike.
Yeah. This guy is second. Where are you?
Right there.
Oh, you're far away. Didn't
Yeah,
even
I
see
agree.
you.
You're a horrible artist.
Second. And Ashley, you're third.
Oh yeah, I am ugly.
Okay, do you have anything on trade?
I don't know.
Okay, third place does not get very good things, but
Sweet.
bracelet.
Let me. It's gonna take a
If you
while.
had
Hurry up.
choose one
gonna
and
take-
remember to push up
Gee,
the flip,
take
which
forever.
pick and
I
why?
already accepted. Click
My
it.
good old sister
Not
right here.
indeed.
Because she has.
Woo!
Wait, what?
Yeah.
No. I was
Next
just gonna say you
round.
have to push up so
Nexie.
much, so
It's a Nexie round.
No,
Oh,
Karen,
okay.
do it fast.
It wouldn't let me say it.
Can you do what's my usual?
Nexie round.
I'm the one you're seeing. I'm the one.
Next round is going to be.
The fish wants to go. How to make channel art. Step 1. Make
Oh, it's gonna be hard for me.
Wasn't that good?
Okay.
Okay, let's change the color on it.
Ashley, don't leave.
I'm
Jeez.
not.
Someone's gonna leave.
Oh, there
Oh,
girl.
nope, they're changing.
There girl.
I thought they were gonna change into like.
Wait.
Okay, so color overlay, and then what would they want? So they wanted like white, silver, red, and dark. So oh whoa.
Oh, wait a minute.
Okay, this is
Not done yet.
okay. Wait, that's better. Let's just like put an overlay on these.
Come on, Betsy.
Okay.
Hey, I'm not done.
I know I'm not.
So
You're
something
supposed
like
to be
this.
cute, not
I mean, it's
ugly.
not-
I
it's
am.
not done yet, but-
Oh goodness, I
Oh
forgot.
my gosh, my mouse keeps like glitching. Like,
Yeah, your eyes.
silver.
Just oh,
Dude,
oh my God, I don't want that glove.
can you do like God? Okay, yeah, I will. I'll write that down.
This is the cutest thing. Okay. Boo boy, you stand up, Drew.
Stroke.
I'm gonna hop on you, and you're not gonna ever. Sorry, girl.
Sorry guys, I decline a lot of buddy requests. And we only have like 5 minutes left to record, so we need to hurry.
Okay.
Oh my. This is their second time. Yeah.
Sorry guys if I have to cut it off and you guys don't get to see the end, but that's fine with me.
You better.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. When is it? My God.
What
Cute it is.
is it a fashion show?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I think everyone is doing it. Yeah, everyone's pretty much doing it.
Okay.
Nerded. Oh, sorry. Who's gonna get first?
Okay, everyone is ready. So I'm going to say the winner is going to be this guy.
Okay, maybe simple.
Oh yeah, he's awesome.
That one wins. So
He's gonna win like
I don't know, guys.
this guy right there is winning
I don't know if these are rare, but I'm gonna
a
see.
spooky chair. She's gonna give him a spooky chair.
Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, no.
Okay, I don't know if those
Who
are
first?
good.
Okay, that should be enough harmonies.
It's fine. Oh my, you definitely.
You have.
Dang it. Yeah, but she is cute. Wow! Off you.
I'm giving away den betas.
OMG.
Okay, there you go.
Yes.
And the next one is gonna be this one.
Okay, I'm
3 minutes.
Sorry, okay. Remember